How to put music in Facebook profile. Open FB app. Click profile. Just scroll down. Click music. Click plus sign in the upper right to select more music you love. There are so many music selections. For example, love, because I'm in love no char. I select, I knew I loved you. Then back. And here's the music I selected. Click the three dots beside the music you've chosen, then pin it to your profile. Now the song has been pinned. Lastly, go back to your profile and check it. Here it is. Enjoy playing your favorite music.